Ila-ilahon ta ang chef and host sa pinaka-bagong culinary show si GMA, ang Farm to Table. Joining us this morning, Chef Jr Royol. Maayong buntag, Chef JR, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Magandang umaga po, maayong buntag po sa lahat ng viewers and listeners natin. I'm so excited and honored na naimbitahan niyo po ako sa inyong show.
And we're so happy to have you this morning, Chef. How was your morning so far?
Morning ko po ay kumpleto na, nakapagkape na. Okay na, ready na humarap sa araw.
Chef, how do you usually spend your morning? And what do you usually have for breakfast as well?
This might sound weird, pero coffee lang ako ng breakfast.
And Chef, you grew up in Benguet, right? Na very abundant in agriculture, and you grew up helping your parents also in the kitchen. How do you describe your early influences since your childhood?
Yun nga po, I was raised and born in Tuba, Benguet. Kasi po yung mom ko is Igrota. And then nung time po kasi na nagsama sila, nagkakilala sila, naging asawa sila, my dad was in the mining industry. So Bicolano si Daddy. So alam niyo rin naman po kung gaano ka-proud ang mga Bicolano nating kapatid sa kanilang mga local dishes. So parang may mini contest din sa bahay namin na kung sino yung mas masarap magluto na kung ano. So yun yung parang environment po na kinalakihan ko.
And of course, balikan din natin kasi prior to this show, to your program, to you hosting, you were an executive chef for various establishments and hotels.
Yes.
Until you decided to move to La Union and start your own farm-to-table place. What was the most challenging part of starting this new venture?
Siguro yung linya na tatawirin mo yung magre-resign ka sa isang convenient and comfortable position ng buhay mo to take risk is the most challenging, and I think it's the scariest part of the entire process.
How important and beneficial itong magtanim tayo ng mga gulay sa sarili nating mga bakuran?
Opo. Totoo po yun. Even po itong pinaka-recent ko na establishment na hinawakan, one of the deals I had with the owner is kung papasok ako sa inyo as executive chef, I have to have parang access to my own garden. Yung farming side ng industry. Kami kasi yung dapat partner ng farmers in their advocacy to use seasonal ingredients. Hindi kasi karamihan po ng concepts ngayon is tied up with a specific dish. Internationally, ang nangyayari po kasi a restaurant is dictated, lalo na po yung menu nila is dictated by the seasonality ng mga ingredients. That sa atin po kasi medyo mabagal pa yung transition sa ganong klase ng diskarte sa restaurant industry.
Thank you for sharing your insights on that, Chef. And of course, Chef, may bago kang cooking show, ang Farm to Table na very timely ngayong panahon. Ano-ano yung mga ihahandog nyo for the viewers?
The ingredients will teach us kung ano yung lulutuin namin. Siya yung magde-dictate sa amin kung anong putahe ang ihahain namin sa inyo every week. So yan po yung, I guess, isa sa mga pinaka-exciting na ipapakita namin sa show na to. Malapit na po, sa linggo na po ito. Ang show po namin would be airing from 6:15 p.m. hanggang 7. So maiksi lang pong kwentuhan ito. Samahan niyo po ako sa aming paglalakbay as we discover nga po yung mga ingredients. And then hayaan natin sila naman yung magkwento sa atin.
Daghang salamat, Chef JR, sa masayang kwentuhan this morning.